my hair. And it's so cute. Hair by me, hair by me, hair by me, hair by me. Get lace, get lace, get lace, I'm getting lace.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nurse B, and I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to show you guys how I customize my lace front wig on my head. Right now I have tweezers, and I am going in and tweezing the areas around the hairline. I am going to style it and show you guys how I want it before I lay my baby hairs. So right now I'm just plucking away with the tweezers. You want to make sure you pluck it and it look well and defined. So I'm just plucking and plucking and plucking. I also need to go back on that little corner and fix it, which I will do like later off camera. But as you can see, I am plucking, okay? I am plucking away. You want it to be plucked and you want it to look as natural as possible. Right now I'm taking a flat iron. I am flat ironing that area. I want to make sure it's laying flat and it's laying, and as you can see, it looks natural. It looks like scalp. It looks like it's coming from the scalp. Now I'm going to use some powder, and I am going to powder down the hairline. This is what is going to give you that natural look, okay? As you can see, it's starting to blend in very, very well. Very well. So you want to make sure you get a powder that matches your skin tone and start blending in that area. That's what also gets it to look natural. And as you can see, it looks natural. I'm going to go back in with the flat iron again, or the hot comb, and just keep combing through the baby hairs that I'm going to cut and combing through the lace wig. You want it to look natural, okay? I think right now I'm looking for my scissors. I don't know where they were at, but eventually I find them. So right now I'm going to cut through the areas where I want the baby hairs to lay. You don't want it too short and you don't want it too long, so you want it just right for you. As you can see, I laid down my baby hairs. I did it off camera because I think my camera died. But I'm going to show you guys how I tame down the hair. And look, this hair is beautiful. If you guys want specs about this hair, or if you want to order some hair, let me know. So right now I'm taking the spray bottle and I'm spraying down the hair. I have water and conditioner in the spray bottle. I am spraying it down, and I'm using a wide tooth comb, and I am combing it down. It is so beautiful. These curls are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go into the other side and just do the same thing. Spray down the hair, run your fingers through it, comb through it. These curls are like natural, beautiful curls. So it's coming out very, very, very beautiful. You want to make sure that, you know, the hair is, you know, very saturated, and look at these curls. Like, oh my goodness. It is so beautiful, you guys. I'm going to also put some oils in it. And it's very beautiful.
When you were a nurse, you look good. Hey you guys, it's your girl B, and I'm back with a video. With a video. With a video. Hey, what lace? You guys, I just laid my hair. And it's so cute. Hair by me, hair by me, hair by me, hair by me, get lace. Hey,
guys, I just slayed this wig. Y'all want to meet my mama? Come on my camera. Well, you want to be in the camera, so come say hi. Come on.
Want me to look
This is
good?
my mama. Hi. Say hey, you too.
Hey, you too.
That is so cute. Period. Okay, that's my mama. She birthed me. Period. I just laid this. Okay. I just laid this little wig or whatever.
Hair by me.
Period. Okay. Alright, you guys. So let me give you the specs about this hair. This is a curly lace wig. Originally, it came in HD. And I guess it was too light for my skin tone. So guess what your girl did? She tinted the lace.
Okay.
Okay. She tinted the lace.
Okay. What she did?
She tinted her lace.
Okay.
She tinted her lace.
Okay.
And she tinted her lace.
Okay.
She put it on her head. And she put it on her head.
And they said, what lace? Get into it.
Lace, let's get it.
Your hair looks really nice.
Period. Okay? And that's it. So if you get an HD lace and you are brown skin, make sure you get a lace tint because, you know, it'll work. It will work. I thought it wasn't gonna work and it came out perfect. So I got a lace tint at my local beauty supply store. So this is the ending result. As you can see, it's not too light for my skin since I tinted it, and I feel like, you know, it's pretty. It's a really beautiful curly pattern.
Like what lace?
Lace, period. You know, I'm not a hairstylist. Please don't come for me in the comments. I am not a hairstylist. I know how to do my hair. That's it. And my cousin's hair.
And you did wonderful.
Okay. I'm not no hairstylist, so don't be like, girl. I'll be like, girl, I am not a gist. Okay?
I know, and you did really nice.
Yes.
Looks really good.
I am not a cosmetologist. I know how to do my own hair, and that's on period. Okay? Alright, you guys, make sure you like, watch, comment, and subscribe
And get
to my
into
channel.
it.
And get into this lace.
Period.
Period.